Alright guys, check it out. I told you I'll give you some updates on the head. I got back home, hit the races. I already put that video up for you guys. Tap in, check it out. It was cracking. Cops were hot, but that shit was cracking. But here up top, we got the Vtec springs and retainers. Focus. Check that out. Everything is brand new. From what I showed you in the previous video is what is in this head. JSR engines told me that this head is rated for about 1,000 horsepower, and we're not going to be trying to make that much, but you know, it's just to be on the safe side. That's how much the head's rated for. So yeah, let me show you guys what's up. Check it out. Ferrara valves, 6000 series. So yeah guys, I'm super satisfied with the way the head came out. It looks very clean. Monte Head Repair did a super good job, and I can't wait to get things cranking still. I'm working. I gotta get back on the road. I catch a flight right now actually, so I just want to let you guys know what I got. I got some Insane Shots axles from the homie Jeff. I also picked up the 5.8 Industries drag spec coilovers, which I'm gonna show you right now. And I also got the Cometic head gasket, 85 millimeter. It's laying around somewhere here. I can't find it at the moment, but there's only a few more things that I need to do before I send my head out, you know, actually my whole block, before I send out to get degreed by JSR engines. I'm super stoked, super stoked. But yeah guys, let me show you these coilovers and I'm gonna take off to the airport. I also have another racing video for you guys. I believe it was a Stogie built EG versus Driver B's Integra, and Eric the Real Deal's Turbo K Series Integra versus, I believe it's a coupe, a white coupe. All the races were slicked down. Check it out guys, they are super clean. I'm feeling the color combo big time. We got blue with white. Bam, 5.8 Industries. These are drag spec coilovers right here. The spring rate is 12K fronts, 18K rears. That's a lot. Super stiff. But yeah, check it. These are the fronts. They'll be going to the forks here. Here's the rear. Came with a license plate holder. And a little warranty card. This is important. I believe they have a year warranty on their products, which is super cool. I want to give a thanks to 5.8 Industries for coming through with these coilovers. They hooked me and the homie Charlie up with a package deal. They gave us a, you know, big percentage off, which is super cool. They showed us mad love, and yeah, these coilovers are super clean. They look very fucking durable, and I can't wait to throw them on. I've been meaning to throw them on while I was back, but I was just, you know, shit, living life, I guess you could say. Sometimes you gotta put things on hold so you can enjoy yourself, and that's what I was doing.
Cheers to my boy Octavio's success.
His birthday.
I caught up with a lot of friends, and yeah, I'll get to the whole little, you know, install video shortly. I gotta take off to North Carolina again. Hopefully the project takes me about 2 to 3 more weeks before I could come back. I'm not too sure if they're gonna send me out to Florida after that. My point is, shit, I gotta be patient too. Be patient guys, updates are coming, and I'm gonna get things cracking with the car. By the time this North Carolina job is over, hopefully I have everything for the block for full assembly so I can send it down to JSR engines and get that shit cranking, because I don't wanna wait any longer. I gotta degree the cams, I gotta get an ATI dampener, I gotta get my GSR water pump on there, my new timing belt tensioner, and that should be a wrap. I could finish it now if I want, but I'm choosing not to. Shit, bills, security money, fun money, I guess you could say, everything. I'm gonna be patient with it. I'm not gonna rush it, you know. Great things take time. Peace out guys, stay tuned.